Hi, I will show you how to create glass text or mirror text in Photoshop. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. Prepare your text and your background. Don't make your background just a plain white. Now on the text layer, double click and the effect tab will be showed up. Check on the bevel and emboss. Choose inner bevel for the style and smooth for the technique. Don't go too much for the size, and I will choose this for the glass contour. Click OK. Now decrease the fill on the text layer for transparency. I will leave some percentage until like maybe 10%. You still can change the text and the font on this layer, by the way. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!